Hi guys, my name is Courtney and I want to give you my honest review on this crock pot. This here is a 6-quart crock pot. I really like it because it has different settings here. We have a high setting that can cook for 4 hours or 6 hours. We have a low setting that could cook for 8 hours or 10 hours. And all you need to do once you plug it in is hit select, and you can go to whichever setting you would like, or there's a warm option. If you have already cooked your food and you just want to keep the food warm, you can just do warm. Otherwise, there's off here. I do have food in there. It is actually ready. I really like that these clamps here really keep everything nice and tight. So I'm just gonna unclamp it here. And this top part is glass. And it just opens just like that. Again, this is the 6-quart crock pot. All of these parts are dishwasher safe. And the cord here is about that long. And again, I highly recommend this crock pot. We used to have a different type of crock pot, and I really love this one. This is my go-to crock pot.